Hi guys, it's Wednesday. I feel like drawing just a tiny little drawing. I don't have a plan. I am going to draw myself a border. I am going to draw myself some lines. I'm going to draw just lines. I'm just going to fill these spaces with lines however I feel like the lines want to live. Just because. Just lines. Lines, lines, and more lines. Why am I doing this? You know what? If you don't know what to draw and you feel like you need to draw, or that you need to just relax for a bit, drawing just lines is the perfect thing to do. It really is. There's no rhyme or reason to them. I like to make them kind of all go into a corner or an end, but they don't have to, you know. Just lines with no prepared thought. I'll go this way with these. Like that. Simple, just lines. And then we're going to do a bit of shading. TBH, I feel like I want to shade with a pen. Instead of graphite. I'm just taking where the lines come together and they're the darkest. I'm just going to kind of put a little bit of shading in there. Just a bit like that. I might want a little bit of shading right here. And then I think I want some highlights. Of course I want highlights. I'm going to use the Prismacolor white pencil. Could I color these stripes like every other one? Sure I could. Could I color these stripes like a rainbow? Absolutely could do that too. There you go. Simple, easy, stress-free, not thinking very hard, perfect pattern for just a simple day. It's just lines, just lines. And we're done for the day. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.